Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in the screen section we've got the reading mode. So this is the eye comfort mode or night light. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. So let's tap on it, and the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, so it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Under it we've got the adjust section. By using the switcher we can adjust the intensity of this feature. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right warmer. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick this option. I will leave it warmer. What's more, we can schedule it just by tapping on this switcher. You can decide if you would like to custom the period, and as you can see you can turn it on or off at custom time. Or you can pick the good night's read, so your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise is. But I will pick the custom period, and after tapping on turn on you will be able to pick the time just by swiping. So it's really up to you which option you like to use. I will pick this one, and we can turn it off at maybe something like that, and tap on OK. And as you can see the screen did not change. Obviously it is because we are not between the turn on and off time. So let me actually turn off the schedule option, and this is the whole customization of this feature. Let me turn it on, and if you would like to have much faster access to it after the customization, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and let's take a look at this icon, this eye icon, which is connected to the eye comfort mode or the reading mode. Right now it is obviously turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and the screen will turn back to its normal state. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable night light or eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.